question number 3. So what is the product of 21.25 into 0.005? So this is nothing but to imply the decimal position. So it is 21.25 into 0.005. So you do normal multiplication first and then count the number of decimals in both the multiplicand and finally place the decimals. So product of 21.25 into 5, it is 625 and 10. So 125 into 5 is 625, 5 into 2 is 10, and you have total 5 decimal places and place the decimals in the first. So answer is 0.10625. And answer for question number 3 is option E. So while doing decimal multiplication, count the number of decimals in both the multiplicand and add the decimal places and finally place the decimals in the product. So we'll see the next question. So what is the quotient of 0.00256 divided by 0.016? So we'll see the working. So 0.00256 is divided by 0.016. So when you are dividing, the divisor should not be a decimal. So to make this an integer, you see how many decimal places are there. So we have 3 decimal places in the divisor, that is in the denominator. So multiply the numerator and the denominator with 1000. So now multiplying the denominator with 1000, 0.016 becomes an integer 16, and the same way in the numerator also the decimal is shifted to 3 places because we are multiplying it with 1000. So it is 2.56. So for decimal division, you do normal division. So 256 divided by 16 is 16. And the numerator, that is the quotient, should have as many decimal places as the dividend. Here we have 2 decimal places. So point should be placed before 1. So answer is 0.16. And answer for question number 4 is option A, 0.16. And the steps in decimal division is make the denominator an integer and then place the decimals in the quotient as much as the decimals in the numerator.